Complete Repair Kit. This complete cartridge repair kit with help fix dripping faucets. Delta Faucets No. 70 Ball. This repair kit works with faucets with No. 70 style ball for kitchen and bathroom sink faucets. Package includes seats, springs, cams, O-rings, No. 70 ball and hex wrench for installation. Save water and energy. Some faucets over time can develop a leak that leads to a waste of water, money and energy. Durable and reliable construction. The plastic construction provides strength and reliability.HOT in cold applications. This replacement faucet stem is compatible with hot and cold water applications.COMPLIANT, complies with the Reduction of Lead in Drinking Water Act, RLDWA. Top reviews from the United States. It works great. So much easier than installing a new dollar faucet. No runs, no drips, no errors.